Hello friends, welcome to this chapter. In this chapter, we will learn about the video resolution standard in CCTV system. Pixels. What is pixels? Every image which we are seeing are made up of pixels, and the collective group of pixels defines the resolution of an image. Resolution is technically the number of pixels per unit of area. Resolution has been described by the number of pixels arranged horizontally and vertically on a monitor. For example, if a resolution is termed as 640 into 480, it means there are a total of 3,72,000 pixels. HD resolution versus megapixel resolution. HD means high definitions. HD refers to the cameras with a standardized resolution of 720p or 1080p. The numbers 720 and 1080 refers to the horizontal resolution. Therefore, 720p HD or HD ready camera resolution provides images that are 1280 into 720 pixel, which is about 9,21,600 pixels. HD video format uses an aspect ratio of 16:9 and frame rate is standardized at 60, 50, 30 or 25 frames per second. We will learn about frames per second in our upcoming chapter, which also plays a crucial role in resolution and data storage calculations. As you can see in the image here, 640 pixels are arranged horizontally and 480 pixels are arranged vertically, which gives a total resolution of 3,07,200 pixels. And this is the quality of this video is of VGA quality. One could consider a HD as a subset of megapixel. Any camera with a resolution of more than a million pixels is defined as a megapixel camera. Megapixel cameras are coming in a wide range starting for 1.3 megapixel, 2 megapixel, 3 megapixel or even higher. Here in this image you can see there are 1920 pixels are arranged horizontally and 1080 pixels are arranged vertically, which makes total resolution of more than a million, and this camera is considered as 2.1 megapixel resolutions. Higher megapixel resolutions cameras are required where more detailed information is required. For example, cash transacting counter, jewelry stores, vehicle license plate detection, etc. Now let's move on to our next chapter, that is frames per second. See you in our next lecture. Thanks.